Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a fashion brand with H&M, complete guide step by step clearly. To build a fashion brand with H&M, start with thorough market research. Identify your target demographic and trends in the fashion industry. Analyze your competitors to understand their strengths and weaknesses. Develop a unique value proposition that sets your brand apart. Create a detailed business plan outlining your brand's vision, mission, and goals. Decide on a specific niche within the fashion market that resonates with your audience. Design your initial product line, including a cohesive theme and style. Focus on quality and sustainability to meet consumer demands. Establish your brand's identity, including a logo and brand colors that reflect your vision. Utilize social media platforms to build a presence and engage with potential customers. Create a professional website showcasing your brand and products. Consider collaborations with influencers to expand your reach. Develop a marketing strategy that incorporates both online and offline channels. Determine your pricing strategy based on production costs and market demand. Establish partnerships with manufacturers who align with your values. Identify distribution channels, including online and retail options. Prepare for the launch by creating buzz through social media campaigns and teasers. Officially launch your brand with a well-planned event or online campaign. Monitor customer feedback and adjust your offerings based on their preferences. Continuously innovate and refresh your collections to keep your brand relevant. Stay informed about industry trends and adapt your strategy accordingly. Build a loyal customer base through exceptional service and engagement. Consider long-term partnerships, like those with H&M, for broader visibility. Evaluate your brand's performance regularly and make necessary adjustments for growth. Stay committed to your brand's mission and values as you expand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.